right, let's get this started. All right, guys, welcome to Damien's channel. Meet Damien. I'm gonna do some live chart analysis and some news updates about the Solana cryptocurrency coin. There's a lot to talk about, and I want to get started by talking about the news updates for Solana and why Solana is doing so well right now. Currently, Solana, they have a phone that's out called the Saga phone, and I just want to show that to you guys here real quick. Just give me a second here. Solana has a really nice looking phone, and I am going to show it to you guys right now. So this is the Solana phone, the Saga phone is what they call it. And this phone, they made only 20,000 of them, and all 20,000 of them have sold out. Just give me a second here. Here we go. So I'll do this, and okay, all right. So with that Saga phone, okay, it's a nice looking, sleek phone. It's part of the Web3. You can log on to solanamobile.com and put that in the Google search, and you'll see that this phone is available out there. Okay, has a lot of pretty cool features. I won't go all over them, but this phone is supposed to compete against. It's supposed to compete against Android and the iPhone. And like I said, they've made 20,000 of these phones already, and they all sold out. And they've sold them for about roughly $1,000 per phone. Okay. And what did they do? Okay, after that phone sold out, okay, I'm going to show you how much they're going for on eBay now. Okay, so this is how much a Solana phone goes for on eBay. About roughly $4,000 to $5,000. Okay, if you're trying to get your hands on that phone, you're gonna have to pay a pretty penny, and there's a good reason for that. The reason why the Solana Saga phone is going for $4,000 or $5,000 and not being sold for about $1,000, which you could have got from Solana themselves, is because these phones, right? You can get coins. You can get like coins like the Bonk coin, and just looking at this reel here, Solana fans are going bonkers over the Saga phone because they're airdropping cryptocurrency coins onto this phone. So like this phone is now paying the people who bought the phone in cryptocurrencies, other cryptocurrencies, and this is like a meme coin called Bonk. Okay, and yeah, this there's going to be other airdrops as well. So this cryptocurrency, this phone is going to be able to pay you almost every time a new NFT or a new cryptocurrency gets airdropped onto this phone, which right now you can sell these coins on all the cryptocurrency exchanges, and you can basically pay for the phone itself. So the phone's already paid for using these airdrop coins. That is pretty cool and nifty. Having just these meme coins being airdropped onto the phone itself. These guys are pretty smart. They only tried to do 20,000 phones, but they're planning on scaling up production because obviously it's a very popular phone. It's already sold out, and it's being sold on eBay for 5 times what it was originally sold for. So that is some pretty awesome news. Some other news that's going on with Solana is the fact that Solana is um, surpassing the psychological $100 level. It's it did this level. It passed $100, which is, most people like to focus like $100. That's a big deal to most people. And they see that and they like, all right, so this coin has some promise. And so that happened yesterday on December 23rd, 2023. This Solana coin actually went past $100. Okay. You just looking at the news updates. When's the last time Solana's been at $100? Solana was $100 around the same time, about a year and a half ago, when the Terra Luna coin collapsed. It dropped and brought Solana down with it. Saying that right here at press time that the Solana coin is at $102 a coin. It's actually Sunday, December 24th, and Solana is about, higher than that. It's actually like $114, $115. So a lot of people have been buying Solana recently, and they've been making money. Everybody that bought Solana in 2023 is in profit pretty much right now, except for some people that bought at like $115 yesterday. The people who bought yesterday, don't worry, they'll probably be in profit too later on this week, especially going into after Christmas is over. A lot of people will be talking about this during Christmas dinner, and they're going to be bragging about it, and they're going to get their friends and family involved in the Solana coin. Yeah, that's the big news this weekend. Is Solana went past $100. We're gonna go look at the Solana chart and see where exactly it's gonna go from here. But let's just talk real quick here about the market cap of Solana, because that is also newsworthy as well. Let's take a look. This is what I'm looking at right now. This is the coinmarket.com. Coinmarket.com is a good website to find out what cryptocurrencies are out there. It has like almost every single cryptocurrency you can think of, and it tells you in a nice format, which is the number one coin, Bitcoin being number one, Ethereum being number two, and so on and so forth. It gives you the prices of the coins, tells you what is done in the last hour, what is done in the last day, what is done in the last week, how far it's going up percentage wise. And then you get the market cap right here, and it tells you how many. This is billions of dollars right now. Bitcoin has $854 billion in it. Ethereum has $275 billion at it. And now going down over here to Solana has $49 billion, and right now the price is being currently traded at $116. Just remember, yesterday it went past $100, so right now people are up about 15-16%. Even if they bought yesterday, they're up 15-16%. That's why this coin's pretty ridiculous. This is a lot of people making a lot of money off of Solana right now. That's why it's trending right now. That is Solana. You can see that what was most newsworthy about Solana this weekend is that Solana actually beat out Binance coin. If you see BNB number 5, okay, you have Bitcoin, right, which is the number 1. Then you have Ethereum number 2, Tether number 3, Solana number 4. Solana was like a number 6, number 5 coin, and Solana beat out Binance this weekend. Binance having $40 billion, and Solana now has $49 billion, okay, in its ecosystem. And I'll just show you real quick here. Solana also beat out Ripple. That was about like a couple of weeks ago. Ripple's market cap is at $33 billion right now. Solana beat out Ripple, and then Solana's next target was Binance, and then it beat out Binance. Sorry about that, guys. I have someone trying to give me a call. I'm gonna have to text him later. Okay. Yeah, going back to Binance, Solana beat out Binance this weekend with all the money that's pouring into Solana. So the next target for Solana is going to be Tether at $91 billion. That's possible. The real target that Solana is really gunning for here is Ethereum Ethereum having $275 billion. That's playing with the big dogs. Bitcoin and Ethereum are the big dogs in this cryptocurrency space. And Solana is trying to be number one and beat out Bitcoin at some point. And I think that's possible within 5 years' time, maybe 10 years. But if Solana keeps going at the pace that it's going, could happen in the next year. As crazy as that might sound. Solana has a very fast cryptocurrency, the fastest cryptocurrency out of all the cryptocurrencies, and it has low transaction fees, which is why it's better than Ethereum. Okay, Ethereum has high gas fees. You'll hear some people talking about the gas fees, and that is getting pretty expensive for people. Solana's gas fees are less than that. It doesn't even have gas fees. It can do transactions at less than a penny. And it can do like 50,000 transactions per second. And they're trying to upgrade the system to do faster than that, maybe 200,000 transactions. They're doing an upgrade called Fire Dancer. Fire Dancer is going to hopefully come live in 2024, sometime in the summer. So they're only getting bigger, badder, and faster. Okay, and that's why Solana is going to try to take out Ethereum and then take out probably Bitcoin at some point. But it's going to be tough sledding. It's going to be tough. It's going to be tough. But it can definitely take out Tether. I believe that to be the case. Just going looking at Solana's market cap at $49 billion, that gives it a $116 coin. If the same kind of money poured in from Ethereum right now, if Ethereum has it's a $2,200 coin and it has $275 billion in it, if that money got poured into Solana right now, just giving you realistic valuations here, if the same money from Ethereum went into Solana, Solana could be a $600, $700 coin. So that's from right now, you can 6 times, 7 times your money if you bought Solana right now, and it catches up to Ethereum. Now, if at one point Ethereum was at $4,800 2 years ago, and Ethereum had like a $600 billion market cap. If Solana gets up to where Ethereum was when it was at $4,800 a coin, if Solana can get that same kind of money pouring into it, Solana could also be Solana would have about $500-600 billion in it, and it would be a $1,300. You heard that, $1,300 coin. If Solana can get that money and have it pour into its ecosystem, and that is possible because Ethereum already did that 2 years ago. So just give it some more time, and Solana could be a $1,000 coin. Could be a $1,000 coin about maybe 2 years from now. I want to say 5 years gives it more time to do it. It is possible. And this is a beast of a coin. I think it's going to be the best cryptocurrency out there because it's doing that right now. But moving on to what else we got here with Solana. Moving on to the price of Solana. Okay, I'm going to show you the live price chart analysis on TradingView here. And we are going to move on to TradingView. Okay, so this is TradingView. This is actually a little cute picture of me when I was 4 years old. That's Damien at 4 years old. Time flies. But this is Solana USD. This is based off of the price action on Coinbase, is the cryptocurrency exchange. And right now, looking at this green field over here, we have Solana at $116. Okay, 116, literally 116. Well, now at $116.06. Okay, and this is literally what's going on right now on a Sunday afternoon here in here on the East Coast. But what do I have to show you here? I have you some price targets that Solana could hit. This little rainbow color field right here. Okay, this is that is the looking over here. That is the Fibonacci retracement levels for Solana. Okay, what I did here. Okay, let me just go back. What I did here is I measured from where Solana went to, which was $260. Okay. It did that back in November of 2021. Okay, so we know that is possible because it's been there before, and it dropped all the way down into November of December of 2022, down to about the $8 level. So I took this little fib retracement tool on TradingView, measured it from 260 all the way down to $8, which is the lowest price it got down to in December of 2022, and it came out with this little rainbow looking chart, and it's spitting out some numbers here, which is the fib retracement levels. You can see that Solana already passed some of these levels. It passed through the 0.236 fib retracement level at $67.44. Then it recently got up to the next level at 0.382 fib retracement level. We have it at $104.30. It sliced through that like a hot knife through butter. I call it a hot machete through butter. Okay. And where can it go from here? Well, it's currently at $116, and the next fib retracement level is the 0.5 level at $134.09. That is the next level that Solana could bump its head up against before maybe it settles down and starts trading sideways, or maybe it drops down, after it hits that level, because it doesn't like that level. But there's going to be some resistance at that $130 level. Okay, and just looking at this blue line, okay, this blue line is like a line of resistance where traders closed out and opened the day for trading. You can see that there's some levels here, there's some resistance. These lines, these red and green lines, they're bunched up right here. That's usually going to be a resistance level. Okay, you can see another level of support over here, and it bounced up and then it dropped down again, and it sliced right through that level. Okay, and then it tried going back up once again to that same level of $130, and then it just dropped down from there. So that $130 level, which is where Solana is gunning for, is going to probably give us some resistance in the near term future, probably in the next week or two. Maybe Solana, even the next day or two, Solana might get up to $130, and it might bump its head up against there, and it might not like it, okay, because it is a significant area of resistance. But what could happen if Solana decides to go past that? Well, if Solana decides to go past that level, we have the golden retracement level, the 0.618 level, and that right there is settling at $163. Okay, at $163, we might see Solana not like that, and it might bounce off of that level and hit its head and decide to drop down and maybe retest that level again. And then also just moving forward, there's some more bunched up price action here. Gonna try to see if I can zoom in a little bit here. At the $180 level here, okay, Solana had some open and closing trading days in that level. $180 might be another level that Solana might go up to maybe in the next month or two. Could be 3 months. I would expect that to happen. If Solana goes to $180, it would be because Bitcoin got the Bitcoin ETF launched and ready to go in January. And so we might see $180 Solana in January. Nothing's guaranteed. It's just a possible price level. I'm just trying to give you guys some ideas as to, like, if you're trying to buy now and you want to sell later, maybe at $180 might be a good price to get out at if you're trying to make a quick buck or two. But me personally, myself, I'm invested in Solana, and I think Solana can get up to the highest level that it got up to, which was the $260 level right over here. And not only that, but I think Solana can go past that. We talked about how much Solana could get if it had the same kind of money going to Ethereum. I think Solana could get up to at least $500 or $600 next year, and possibly $1,000 2 years from now. Those are some price targets that I would like to share with you guys about Solana. So just going back here, I'm going to stop sharing this trading view. Okay, but yeah, guys, that is my analysis of Solana. If you like what you've heard on this video, if you thought I did a pretty good job of analyzing the coin, please like the video. Leave a comment if you want to see more videos like this, or if you want me to talk about another cryptocurrency besides Solana. I'm I'm willing and down to do that. If you guys give me requests, if you guys come on the live stream, I'm live streaming. I try to do afternoons on the East Coast. So if you want to subscribe to the channel and then be able to find out when my next live stream is going to be, and then go ahead and make a request, we can do that, and we can look at the price charts on TradingView, and we can find out where the next levels might be for some of these coins. I also want to give a shout out to some of my favorite YouTube streamers. Mitch Ray is a pretty good, fun guy to listen to. He's really good on the live chart analysis. I've been watching him for about a couple of years, few years now. I think he started in like 2018. So I think that's when I started watching him. So I want to give a shout out to him. I put in the description that at Mitch Ray is his channel. Then there's another guy who does some really phenomenal chart analysis, some very advanced knowledge. His name is Eric Crown Crypto. I put that in the live, put it in the description of this channel. You can look at his channel as well, and just tell him that, hey, I saw Meet Damien and he told me to come to this channel. And yeah, if any of those viewers want to come to my channel too, that'd be greatly appreciated. I'm trying to build up a community of like-minded, business-minded people here who want to make some money off of cryptocurrencies. And I also will do some stock market chart analysis. I like to talk about the Bitcoin mining companies as well. That I would like to do. There's going to be so many videos coming up going into 2024. This is my first analysis video on a cryptocurrency, and there's going to be a lot more to come. But yeah, I'm trying to build up a community. Please go ahead, like, comment, and subscribe. I greatly appreciate that. And I hope you guys have a great Christmas. Looks like Christmas came a little bit early for the Solana investors and some of these cryptocurrency investors. So they're happy. They got their gifts this year. And yeah, I'm going to go ahead and end the stream. Once again, thank you guys for coming and joining and clicking on this video and finding out some more about cryptocurrencies with Meet Damien. All right. And also, as a disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor. I am not. I don't know your personal situation. Do not treat this as financial advice. This is not financial advice at all. This is just us learning about cryptocurrencies. This is for education and a little bit of entertainment. And please don't sue me, bro. I am not your financial advisor. Okay. All right. Take care, guys. Bye.